I just might fuck me a K. Right around, let it spray with the ray. Middle fingers alright to the Jakes. I can't fuck with these niggas, they fake. I don't fuck with these bitches, they fake. Catch your op, he get beat up today. Catch your op, he get beat up today. Today. I can never work minimum wage. Papa.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy Days with we back with another video. You feel me? But y'all probably gonna get this. I got the same. It's the same day, but y'all probably gonna get this video the next day after the other video drop. So, first step in getting my car fixed. Show y'all the first step. Show y'all the first step. Camera here died on me, but we back. But basically, my first step into getting this car fixed is well, finding out what's wrong with it. Cause I took it, they put it on the computer, ain't nothing pop up with the check engine light. Cause there ain't no check engine light, ain't nothing popping up. We don't know. They checked everything. They don't know. So I mean, if y'all know, let me know something. But what I'm about to do is what I'm gonna do? Oh, I'm finna take this. I'm finna take this battery up to AutoZone, and we gonna get that checked. So when I get back home from doing that, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Yeah. So basically, I went up there. They said the battery was dead, but the car wouldn't start only one time. So I don't know if the battery could have been loose or it's because it's dead. But I started this car a lot of times. So basically, I gotta take this battery out. Already started right here. Already started. I took this one off. I ain't take that one off here. I just gotta take it off. You know, it's a spare. You know, with these, you know what I'm saying? Battery in the back. You know what I'm saying? But basically, see, I got the tools right there and stuff. I already took this one off. Basically, I just gotta finish taking this off. I'm gonna drop the battery off up there. Yeah, I'm gonna drop the battery off up there, and then yeah. Oh, they're gonna charge it, and they're gonna charge it for the free. I ain't know they charge for free. I knew they check it for free, and they check engine light for free. I didn't know they gonna charge it back for free. So I gotta drop it off up there for about an hour. I'm waiting on my ride to pull up, and we're gonna drop it off. We're gonna see how everything go, and then I'm gonna buy some brakes when I'm up there. I gotta buy some brakes. Them brakes gonna be the death of me. Woo! I don't know how much they gonna cost yet, but I gotta get some brakes. I gotta put them on today. I gotta put them brakes on today. So y'all finna be getting a lot of back-to-back videos. I might drop 2 videos today. I might drop 2 videos. Well, I might drop this video with the last video. So, well, I ain't know what was going on, but this is my first step. So, I might combine them, or I might just post 2 videos. Yeah, man. So let me finish taking this out. I'm basically done. I just really got to just screw this part off. I'm basically done. I'm doing it with my hand. That's how far. Dang. It's hard when you got one hand, though. We make it work. Please, man. Don't tease me. That ain't gonna work. I'm gonna have to put this camera down. And just like that, man, we got this battery out. You know what I'm saying? All you gotta do is take these little, there you go. You gotta just take these off. You unscrew them. I used the 10mm. I used 10mm. Then you just pop this out. Hey, you know this stuff hard when you trying to do it with one hand. You know that? Let's see if I can set this up. That ain't gonna work. Ah! Oh, snap. I might have to get back with y'all again. I don't know why this battery is so hard to take out. Golly. Man. I had to fight. Yes, I did. You know, Something telling me to take all these tools out and at least put them inside the car. Just in case anything. You gotta prepare for the worst. Hope for the best. Yeah, that's what we gonna do. Of course the car gonna be locked. Of course the car gonna be locked. Hey Louie. There we go. Talk to me. I'm pressing the unlock button like this. Like I can actually unlock it. There we go. I'm going to the kickback. I got this battery up. Yep. So now I can take it up there. Yes sir, I'm back from AutoZone and I'm gonna wipe the camera on. Back from AutoZone. I done got everything put in. I done closed everything up too. I forgot I was recording. See, I got the battery and everything back in. They told me it was a bad battery, so I'm gonna have to buy another battery, but let's go ahead and start it up, see how it's on. See if I did everything right. Ooh, I don't know about that startup. Try that one again. Okay, there we go. First one felt like it was delayed. Now we talking. Okay, we talking. Okay, we talking. The startup sound a little bit. The startup feel a little bit better. Usually, like it feel like it's cranking a little bit longer. So a little bit better, but they said the battery is still messed up, so I'm gonna have to end up buying another battery. Stuff like that. But yeah, that was the next step into figuring out what was wrong with this car. So just stay tuned for the next video, you know what I'm saying? And I mean, y'all tell what it is by the title of these videos. So I mean, just stay with me. I'm gonna keep dropping, and just stay with me, man. We're going up all 2020. We'll cop that merch, like, subscribe, share this video, and gone. Peace.
I just might fuck me a K. Right around, let it spray with the ray. Middle fingers alright to the Jakes. I can't fuck with these niggas, they fake. I don't fuck with these bitches, they fake. Catch your op, he get beat up today. Catch your op, he get beat up today. Today. I can never work minimum wage. Pop